problem when you don't have the facts.
It's the custody battle that has made headlines all around the world. Today, the judge at the center of it pulled absolutely no punches.
Good afternoon and welcome to the Now on this Wednesday. It's the custody battle that has garnered international headlines. The children sent to juvenile detention for refusing to have lunch with their father.
And that case was back in front of Judge Lisa Gorsuch today, who made a key ruling in the custody case. The Now Detroit's Ross Jones here with details. Ross?
Stephen, Joanne, it is the case of Simone versus Simone, and like the other hearings before this one, today's was tense and had more than a few fireworks. To try to salvage a relationship between the children and their father, the guardian ad litem proposed a 5-day intensive reunification program with the children and their dad. If it's successful, the children would spend the next 90 days with their father at his home. But attorneys for the children's mother, who was accused of brainwashing her kids against their father, vehemently objected.
We take issue with the methodology and essentially penalizing these kids to sweep them into a hotel room for 5 days. To do what?
And that resistance prompted Judge Gorsuch to push back, asking whether Mrs. Simone had made any recent efforts to improve the relationship between her kids and their father.
When she saw the children, did she say, "Children, you are making a mistake. You are wrong about your father. You need to visit your father"? Did your client say that to them the time she saw them since this all happened?
I haven't inquired about what the nature of their discussions were.
Well, ultimately, Judge Gorsuch ruled in favor of that plan, at least in part. The children will spend the next 5 days in intensive therapy with their father. If that is successful, they will spend the next 90 days with him at his home. There were also plenty of other fireworks in court today, with Judge Gorsuch repeatedly scolding one of the lawyers in the courtroom. We'll have that coming up on 7 Action News at 5. Stephen?